right, you are welcome again to the class today. Now we are going to be looking at chords and their application, chord progression, and then the way we apply them to songs. And then during our previous classes, you really need a lot of rehearsals because this thing has to do with consistency. If you don't practice very well, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour every day, a lot of rehearsals on piano scales and all that. So now we are going to be looking at chord progression and the application, and I'm going to be talking about the chords that we have. Now we are still on key C, our training. We are, still taking key C as a typical example. Now we have C, E, G. C, E, G. This chord progression is going to be developing our listening skills. C, E, G. Then we also have F, A, C, F, A, C, F, A, C. Then we also have G, B, D, G, B, D. And we also have that's A, E, C, A, E, C. Then we have E, G, B. That's G, B, E, G, B. And then the last one I'm going to be talking about is D, F, A. D, F, A, D, F, A. So now there is something we call, inversion. Now let me try and then tell you the meaning of what we really actually mean by chords. When you talk about chord, it's just a way of pressing two or more notes together to form, to give harmony. So in that case, you are not pressing only a single note. You are pressing two notes together or three. When you press them together, it gives harmony. All right? There is something we call chord inversion. Inversion is just a way of, rearranging the mode. Okay? When I say C, E, G, I can rearrange it in such a way that it can be E, E, G, C. E, G, C. Don't forget C. All right, don't forget E, G, C. E, G, C. That's inversion of the normal one that I talked about, C, G, E. So the pitch or this octave or the sound is just the difference there. Then the third inversion, okay, or let me say the second inversion, because C, E, G is the normal, the normal root chord. Now the second inversion is E, G, C, and the third one is the third one, the second inversion now is this is G, this is C, and then this is E. So we have G, C, E. G, C, E. So the way you have applied it to the first one, that's how you are going to be rearranging the other ones. Like apart from C, E, G, C, E, G, then you have F, A, C. So F, A, C, you can arrange F, A, C also to be, this is A, then C, F, A, C, F. So that's how you do it for the rest of them. Now, this chord inversion is a thing that you need to actually sit down and see a way that you can practice them. All right, now let's look at the way all these chords are being applied. We use all these chords basically to follow, some songs, worship songs, Western songs talk about, because the inversion are very, very useful, in applying, when we apply them to all these things. All right, now we are going to be continuing the class tomorrow, and the major reason why we are trying to make the class snappy is for, the fact that we have a target that we want to meet. For you to be a professional, we cannot, just take a lot of your time and then at the end of the day. So we have a target. For the sake of the beginners out there, you have to do a lot of works. You have to commit yourself, sacrifice your time, and then make sure you are rehearsing very well so that you'll be able to meet up. Meet you again tomorrow by the same time. Thank you. And there will be room for questions, most especially for beginners, so that we can move faster. See you again tomorrow. Thank you.